Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to show internet speed on Taskbar on Windows 10 or 11 updated. So for us to be able to begin, you need to make sure to go ahead and head here onto this GitHub website. So just search github.com/this one. Just copy this one out and paste it onto your local browser to get redirected onto the same page. Right after, once you're already in here, just scroll down here and you should be able to find in releases. So we have v1.84.1, click onto that and we'll get redirected onto another page. You should be able to see this one, the first one, which is a zip file. Click onto that one and wait for this one to be downloaded onto your device. So as you can see, it's still downloading. We'll just wait for this one to be downloaded. Right after that, once it is downloaded, just go ahead and open the downloaded file for that. Right after, you'll just need to go ahead and extract this first. Right click onto this, click onto extract all, and then extract this onto your device. So it should go ahead and create a new folder onto your device, and here you'll just need to wait for this one. Once that one is extracted, you'll just need to go ahead and click onto that. Right after, click onto Traffic Monitor and find in the exe file. Or you could see this one, the application. So click onto that and follow in the installation prompts for that one. Right after you've installed, you should be able to see something like this. Right click onto this and click onto this one so that it should go ahead and pin this onto the taskbar. So as you can see, it is showing already onto the taskbar. And to remove this onto the main screen, click onto that again and remove the check mark for that so that it should look something like this. And that is just basically it on how to show internet speed on taskbar on Windows 10 or 11. And if you think this has been helpful, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.